Hardware and software in this video were provided as part of the MetaQuest Creator Program.
Hey folks, welcome to another VR video. Today we're checking out something really cool. This is a release candidate of QuestCraft, an application that allows you to run the Java edition of Minecraft natively on the Quest 2, Quest Pro, and Quest 3 standalone. Now today, the reason why this is a release candidate is because on Quest 3, if you download the version that's on SideQuest, it doesn't work well, it's broken. So I have loaded into one of my absolute favorite experiences. This is the ImagineFun server, a server that takes you to California's Disneyland resort. And I'm doing this natively on the Quest 3, which is just tremendous to me. You've got Mickey Mouse here to greet us. We can right-click on Mickey if we want to. We have arrived at the Disneyland park entrance. There's an Earth Day magic shot here in front of the train. Now this is my favorite Minecraft server of all time. We've got very authentic hallmarks of the Disneyland resort in a 100% essentially recreation of the theme park. Complete with rides, complete with things like the City Hall experience here. You can ride on this little double-decker bus if you want to. You can visit the fire department over here if you want to. But the one thing that is absolutely lacking here, you can also shop in the Emporium, like all of the things that you would do going to the real park, you can do on this server. But what is lacking is the park audio, which is available on the PC version. If you run Minecraft Java Edition on PC, you can actually go into the chat, you can type /audio, and you can sync your audio with park audio that was recorded and sourced to this application. So as you're walking around the park, you'll also have actual Disneyland park audio. And this is a multiplayer server, so you're also going to see other people. Like right now it says there's 102 guests in the park. So it's all very, very cool stuff. What is also a bit lacking on the QuestCraft build is draw distance. Right now we just see fog where we'd usually see a giant, well, not so giant, a chateau of a castle in front of us. The historic Walt and Mickey statue here. You've got the busts of all the different characters here. But yes, the entire server is indeed here. And as we walk closer to the castle, it will come into view. There it is, Sleeping Beauty's castle. Very cool stuff. And this park has changed a lot since the last time I filmed here. There's currently a Sleeping Beauty castle walkthrough that you can kind of parkour through. If you start at the bottom, you can go through and see all these different scenes. I'm not going to necessarily talk about the different scenes. But it's very cool that these exist. She's asleep there. And you've got the whole storyline as you go, which is very cool. It's your own self-guided, self-paced tour, which is very cool. And I will say some elements, because I'm playing on what they're calling an older build of Vivecraft, because again, QuestCraft is a collaboration that includes the developers behind Vivecraft. This particular experience is one that has some elements in the PC version that are not currently present here, in addition to the audio. But it plays great. We're going to go visit Snow White's Enchanted Wish here. Oh, that's cool. So they've actually got the queue in here now. I don't remember there being a queue items for this particular ride in the past. All right, so now you see this cart spawning here. We have boarded the cart. Now, again, in the PC version, in addition to seeing the Seven Dwarfs and Snow White dancing over there, and the grandfather clock with a bird, and all these different things as we go, you would also see and hear visuals in addition, like different lightning effects and things of that nature, and audio from the actual ride in the park on the PC version. Of course, on the QuestCraft version, we can't connect that audio right now. Now, if they do add the ability to simultaneously use a web browser while in a VR application, I think that that would automatically make this available and almost fully compatible. This server is just fantastic, and being able to play it without a PC, being able to play it standalone, it's really, really awesome to just, if I want to go to a Disney park anywhere in the world, I can just pop on my Quest headset as long as I have a Wi-Fi connection, and here I am. It is, of course, not a photogrammetry simulation. This is Minecraft. But the fact that they've got the full Disney experience, there's a lightning effect right there. The full Disney park experience in a very, very, very cool Minecraft experience. I've really enjoyed using the ImagineFun server for a number of years now, and being able to do it wirelessly on a Quest 3 and just have as good of an experience as I can with this. It's tremendous. It really is. All right, there we go. We've been dropped off the exit here. Do a couple of more rides. This is another one that's one of my favorites. Peter Pan's Flight. So it's going to spawn in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to click on ship here. There we are. Now again, this is really a remarkable experience because you're on a ship sailing, soaring over London at first, then Neverland after. Again, not all of the visual elements from the main server are here. I think some of the resource pack might not load in, but it's still very, very cool. And I'm on a theme park ride, an actual theme park ride right now. In virtual reality, in Minecraft, running on the Java edition of Minecraft on a standalone platform, how it should be. And again, this doesn't do it entirely justice because this ride has somewhat more impressive visuals in the main, if you're running it on a PC with a full resource pack. But what it gives you is still quite the experience. And it's something that's just really, truly remarkable to me that you can spend hours or days exploring servers like this one, if not this one, in Minecraft. And in the very near future, you'll be able to do this using QuestCraft on your Quest 3. And if you have a Quest 2 or Quest Pro today, you can actually run this right now. Again, this is a release candidate build. If you back the QuestCraft team on their Patreon and join their Discord, you can get a link to this particular release candidate build. They are fine-tuning and making this ready for all players as opposed to just those that want to experiment. But as you can see, it's running pretty well on the Quest 3 right now. We'll do one more ride here in Fantasyland. Actually, I'm going to skip. I was going to do Pinocchio's Daring Journey, but it's another similar dark ride style ride. We're going to go a little bit further past this fog here. And we're going to ride on Dumbo to close out this video. Take the entrance up. There we go. The ride's going to start in about 5 seconds here. Alright, we're on our Dumbo elephant here, and what you can do is you can actually go up using the left thumbstick or down. Works pretty well. And again, it gives you that sensation of actually riding on a park ride. I wish I had the actual park audio. That's the one thing that's still lacking that I'm hoping the folks at Meta give us soon, is the ability to run a web browser within an application. It would also help with people that want to like stream to Twitch or things of that nature, because you can actually see the chat as you're streaming if you have an open browser window, right? They have experimented with giving us the ability to see chat directly through the Quest 3 interface, but being able to do that with a browser, you can stream to any platform. And I think that would be a really positive win for the folks on Quest that are streaming. Day-night cycle is very, very quick on this. Like, it's already like mid-evening. The sun just set and suddenly the moon's out in full force. But that's something I'm sure that you can configure in the parameters of QuestCraft itself. Our ride is stopping. Go through the exit here. Goodbye, Dumbo. Head out this way. And back into the park. It's the Mad Hatter there. Got the teacups over here. And the park just continues. I am super excited, like I said, to have this as a storybook land over here, as a experience that you can just go check out anytime, standalone on the Quest. I will leave the relevant links to join the QuestCraft Patreon if you'd like, or to check out the QuestCraft version that's available on SideQuest if you have a Quest 2 or Quest Pro. And I will also leave a link to the ImagineFun server, which is the server I've been exploring in this video. I will be back with more content soon. Until next time, get out there and enjoy some VR for yourself, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.